Hello, everybody. Good morning and welcome to a new trading session. I'm Stefan. You already know me. Yeah, the same ugly guy who loves to scalp, who loves intraday trading, loves to aggressively take the money out of the market and then generate those consistent profits on a daily basis. Yeah, you know me. Today, we'll have another session of live streaming. As you know, Tuesday, it's for everybody. And we'll try to find some levels, some setups. We'll see what we can find. Yeah. Let me. By the way, guys, if you really enjoy the content, just go on X. Yeah. And you can share this link. It's helping. Yeah. Let's share the link. Let's get more people because I think it's really helpful. And more people will get into and we'll learn a thing or two. We'll put some questions. So I think spreading the word, it's the proper way to do it. So just share the link. Actually, share the one from Crypto Traders Arena. I'll just post it. So any link out of there, yeah. Thank you very much. Because sharing is caring, and we'll get more people. We can help more people because that's what we are doing on a daily basis. Yeah, we are focusing on finding setups, but as you know, we have the plans, the investment plans too. Hey, Farmer John. Hey, man. Nice seeing you here. Nice seeing you here, man. We have the investment plans. I mean, I'm a scalper indeed, and I love scalping. This is what I absolutely love. But I love investments more than scalping, to be honest. And what I hate, I think you already know what I hate. If anyone can tell me, I hate swing trading. I know, just not my cup of coffee. And speaking about coffee, let me make one coffee before we can deep dive into some charting, some ideas that I posted and I discussed about. Maybe I'll show you some sneak peeks from the VIP. VIP is just a corner of professional traders. I want to keep it really professional out there. No bullshit, no fucking around, no stuff like that. Yeah, day by day, scalping, trading day in, day out, and stuff like that. It's my corner where I put all my setups and we are having fun. Let me make one coffee. And then we can jump up and find some setups. Oh, okay. Man, I think I'll need to take some water too because I'll be speaking 40 minutes. And oh, and don't forget to hit that like, retweet, and let's trade. Okay, so Bitcoin. What do you want me to do? Want me to start from zero? How I frame the ideas? Maybe it's helping you to understand how my brain works, how my tiny brain works. No, maybe. Let's do that. Yeah. So guys, I don't know. It's my point of view. Don't treat it like it's a rule or is the truth. Yeah, because you know, more truth there is no truth. But it's my point of view and how I see the market via market structure and statistically speaking. Well, for me, for the market to be bullish, we have to break this high. And you will ask me why. Yeah. If you ask me why, well, which is the high which created a new low? It's not this one. this high didn't create a new low. This is just intermediate market structure. So this is absolutely irrelevant to the bigger picture. So we have two bigger pictures, which is this one. We have two pictures. The bigger picture is this one. And this one here is the internal structure, which you want to play on trading. Internal liquidity. There you go, done. Well done. So Christian Tudor, exactly. This is internal liquidity. So this is not affecting our higher time frame liquidity and structure. That being said, if we look previously, we have swing failure patterns, nice reactions. To be honest, on weekly, that's a beautiful retest of the GAN 0.5. So there are enough levels to go higher, but don't get it wrong. If we are breaking this high, it's not bullish, and it's not in external structure, it's not a higher high. It's just internal liquidity hunt. Moreover, if price is doing this, and I think it will do, it will sweep that liquidity. I mentioned yesterday on Twitter, if it does this, it's a pretty high probability. Yeah, because the bigger picture, the swing high, will not be invalidated. It's still a downtrend here. We have a swing high and a swing low. This is just intermediate market structure. Well, having that in mind, we see the price is struggling here a little bit, and it's absolutely normal because we have a bearish daily order block, and we are trading inside of it. Yeah. In the summertime, we had moments when market was hunting just liquidity, going for liquidity. But right now, when the big boys are back, I think we'll respect more this kind of order flow, yeah, where you have a bearish order block, where you have a bearish market structure shift. Here was a bearish market structure shift. If we go on 2 hours, and you see the market, it's respecting it. This is the low which created a new high. So technically speaking, if this low is displaced, then we have a bearish market structure shift. And on the retest, there we go, we have a breakdown. Same stuff is happening here. Let's go 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours, there you go. So there is absolutely nothing bullish on Bitcoin. It's just a range in my point of view. And I will treat it accordingly. Also, let's look at some VPVR here. There we go. Why price is spending so much time here? Because we are right at the POC. We concluded that one. There is a pretty high probability to go to value area high. So we can even push into 68,000 and still the market not to be invalidated, the bearish order flow not to be invalidated. Okay, we have those concluded. Let's save. There we go. Also, if this is a swing high and this is just internal liquidity, it means that you will not take this one as a trend line. So this trend line is pretty much invalid because it didn't affect the market structure. Yeah, it didn't create the new low from here. So we'll have to look at this one, which swing high created a new low, swing high created a new low. So this one is the valid one. So even if the price is pushing above 65, 67,000, we will need a breakout of 60,000, 70,000 to have a correct market structure market structure breakout, okay? So changing the order flow only comes if 70,000 is broken. But keep in mind that this is for Bitcoin. On altcoins, there is a different story. Because if I'm taking SUI, for example, I mentioned a week ago or 2 weeks ago that the bull market for SUI has started and the bottom is in. If you guys follow me, I yelled on Discord and on Twitter by SUI and Tau. Yeah, because I said the bottom it's in for SUI and Tau. And how did I knew that? Well, because we had a bullish market structure shift. And I said buy here Tau. I still have a huge bag of Tau. Yeah, with pretty much easy invalidation. So this is another story if we are speaking about altcoins. But if I'm speaking about Bitcoin, the bearish order flow is still there. Well, that being said, let's zoom in a little bit. So here we should look for shorts. And here at the previous high, we should look for shorts. Okay, we have an uptrend channel that is respected. We don't have any reasons not to take it into account. We can see here we retested it, and actually that's the area where I sniped along. Okay, and I'm shorting. I'll be shorting. Maybe you ask me where you will be shorting. Well, let's zoom in a little bit. Let's put a volume profile. Okay. Let's see a VWAP from the top. There you go. Okay, so price is rejecting the VWAP right now. The VWAP and actually didn't reach the value area high. This is the area where I'll be looking to short. Let's say 61.8. There we go. So let's get the box here. Make this one a little bit lower. There we go. So I'll be shorting 64,000. While for the long, maybe you will ask me, let me show you a snippet. So this was my plan from yesterday, from VIP. Yeah, and there is a place where I make my thesis. That's the place where I make my plans, where I'm thinking all the process, and I'm doing that live, exactly like I'm doing it here with you guys. I'm wrong from time to time. I'm wrong. Let's say I don't know, 50% of the time. I'm not going to put it like 40. I'm going to 50. 50% of the time I'm wrong. But when I am right, I'll be making 3, 4, 5 times than the probabilities of being wrong. Because when I'm wrong, I'm just losing 1. And when I'm right, I'm making 5, 4, 6, stuff like that, 3. And you know how it's going. So yesterday, September 23, I mentioned about the price had a blow off top. It swept the previous week high, and I mentioned about the probability of a wyckoff here, because if we are looking at the inverted chart, yeah, I don't know how many of you dive deep in the wyckoff schematics and how the wyckoff accumulation and distribution happens. But pretty much we have a wyckoff distribution here. Now I'm putting it upside down because it's easier to follow. If we are watching every step of it, every phase, we can see the SC, AR, and then we can see the liquidity swept. And now look at the spring reaction. Technically speaking, we should have the LPS phase right now. Yeah, we should have the retest of the spring. So we should have a retest around here. And then the market should follow the trajectory of lower, if this is the correct wyckoff. What I like about this setup is that the risk to reward is absolutely nuts. Yeah, for example, if I get a bearish market structure shift on this area, because this is a swing low which created a new high, if I get a standard deviation, the standard deviation to it at 58,000. Let me show you something. Because some people, they say they are random levels. 58,000, it's precisely and exactly at the same level. Yeah, standard deviation 2.5, it's exactly at the same level with 78.6. And it's at the same level with the major S&R. That makes me think that we'll get a pretty high probability we'll get a retest of 58,000. Yeah, we can see here in the past it was resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, support, and now most likely we'll get another retest. And I don't know, let's frame one, maybe frame it like this and see the risk to reward ratio. Yeah, 11 risk to reward ratio. I need to be right. I can be wrong 6 times and win 1 time with this kind of risk to reward ratio. So maybe you now understand how it works. I know some of you are traders, some of you are investors and stuff like that. If I'm too fast, just let me know. And I'll try to slow down a little bit. If you have questions, please let me know also. 58,000. Yeah. And you can do it in two ways. You can either split. So technically speaking, the price should not go above the previous high. What we can do more is take an ATR, get a 4-hour ATR, go on 4 hours, and check the levels. Okay, 65 exactly at the high here. Let's check a daily ATR. Nothing, not too much information. Well, it's obvious because it's on daily. Let's check the 2-hour ATR. 2-hour, man. Okay, so at the highs, both of them. So what is that implying? The fact that there is a probability for the price to go a little bit above the highs. But what I'll do, let's see the candle which has the FEGs, this one. So the price should not violate that candle. Okay. I'm above the second ATR. I'm all right with this short. Yeah, I'm all right with this one. And if price it's swing failuring this high, meaning that, okay, it takes my stop loss, but then it goes back under, I will take again the short. Because the risk to reward, it's absolutely nuts and it's worth taking it. Yeah. Okay, so this is for the short side. I'll let it here. Okay, I was blabbing away for the long. Well, okay, we have what the fuck is this line? Ah, it's the big POC. It's the big POC. Okay. Yeah, I should take some air. Thanks, Paul. Yeah, Paul is taking care of me always. Well, actually, he's taking care of me. He knows better than me when I should stop. Okay. This is the clear structure. This is the levels that I went on. Here for the highs, maybe we don't care too much about them. Yeah, because we already framed our short setup. Maybe even a little bit higher. Let's put it here. And then click lock. Okay. For the long side, how I thought about it and how I framed my long. Let's get rid of the standard deviation actually. Let's get rid of 1 and -1. Okay. And how I frame the long, maybe you ask me which long, this one. If this is a distribution Wyckoff, the lows have to be protected. There is a very high probability for these lows to be intact. We see we have equal lows here, 1 low, 2 lows, and even here. So these lows should be protected and the market structure should not be violated. You would ask me, how do you know that? Well, guys, test it. I tested it so many times in 2 years since I'm trading. It's not 2 years randomly sitting on the sidelines. It's 2 years with 8 hours a day. So you do the math on how many hours I spent on the charts. And I tested and I wrote in the journal every data that I found. So having that in mind, I looked at the previous demand area plus the value area low, and I saw that price is having a nice demand here. And as you saw per the snippet, entry was 762, 720, and then stop loss. I used the ATR for the stop loss. This one, yeah, a little bit below the sweep level, and we have this trade. If I get my short, I have a 2.71 risk to reward. And I actually plan to take to TP1 around here, or if I see a bearish market structure shift. So this is the long we are already in. Because why I plan to trail it? If the price is bullish enough, I'll take a stop loss on the short side, definitely, but look at the long. It will be at 3.73. So meaning that I can lose 3 times in a row this short side and still be in profits. Everything uh, it's related to the plan, guys. Not fucking around, not messing around with the trades, properly planning absolutely every move in the market because it's about money here. You don't want to be playing or gambling with the money. You want to be making money on a consistent way. How do you do that? Well, by planning, by properly executing on the market. Okay, so we have this long. Okay, what the fuck? I deleted my short? Yeah, because I put it too many times. There we go, that's my short. Yeah, we have the long, we have the short. Everyone is happy. Hmm. Um, so for me, the order flow is still bearish if I go on daily. Yeah. So what I'm doing is trying a short here. And I will try another one at 67,000. For me, this is still bearish order flow due to the fact that the swing high, it's not invalidated. Yeah. Okay, let's go furthermore. And take some requests, maybe low dominance. Oh, on likes. Bitcoin dominance. I think you guys saw on my Twitter mentioning about this power of three. And I mentioned on Discord too many times that if we get the power of three here, it will be pretty violent. And there you go. The power of three has been triggered. And we can start the market maker sell model in this point because from this range low, we started the market maker buy model. If you know about market structure a thing or two, the target for a market maker sell model, which is the target for market maker buy or sell model? Anyone knows? It's the original consolidation. Which is the original consolidation? This one. So my target for if, yeah, because we can do one more push here on the 61.8 on dominance, but my target for Bitcoin dominance is here, the original consolidation. Market structure wise, that's the target, and I think altcoins will have a good time if it goes there. But in the same manner, we can think about actually this one was swept. Yeah. But looking at what we have here, I think it's the time to long some alts. If you don't have some altcoins, we'll look later on some retest for some altcoins. Let's make the plan on Ethereum. Let's go on weekly, delete everything. Yeah. Well, easy. Same stuff here. This is clear weekly S&R resistance. Order flow, it's bearish, nothing is bullish, but you want to, I mean, on weekly basis, to hit the bottom, you either want to DCA or start buying at 88.6 and stuff like that. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy or not, but I don't think the bottom is in for Ethereum. I want this area to be hit in order to confirm I mean, we have a breaker with an FEG, and we have a trend line in the same manner. So I still think a dump to tap around here and sweep all these three equal lows is possible. It's possible, guys. It's just my 2 cents. Yeah, nothing bullish about the chart. There is no bullish market structure shift. Yeah, we have a W, but I'm working a lot with bullish market structure shift. I usually enjoy my W's like this. Yeah, after they swept previous liquidity. If they didn't do that and they have equal lows, I don't like them. If this high is broken, it's displaced. Oh my God, I sneezed. Sorry. Sorry. Hopefully I didn't broke your ears. If this high is displaced, well, most likely we will reject from the trend line and then go again to the lows. Just my 2 cents. This blue area has to be tapped. Too much liquidity left here. Maybe it will leave it like that. I don't know, but my probabilities are saying that in a pretty high manner, they will go for these lows here. Let's call me crazy. Until I see this S&R flip here, the 2800, this one. Yeah, my order flow is bearish. And even if I see this one displaced, the classic swing high which created a new low is this one. So I want to see this one displaced. Same stuff if we go on Ethereum, Bitcoin. This is the high which created a new low. So you don't want to be bullish until that one it's displaced. Yeah, pretty easy. Keep it easy. And also that would confirm a reclaim of this area if we have it with strength. But until then, yeah, we have a pump. Yes, Sebastian, exactly. The liquidity on the 2000 level, it's absolutely insane, guys. It's absolutely insane, and I see no reasons why this couldn't happen. Yeah, altcoins are holding pretty well, and that's due to the Bitcoin dominance. And I think that if Bitcoin dominance behaves and it's just sideways or going down, the altcoins will not suffer too much once Ethereum will go down. But in the same manner, let's check. Let's take an example here. Tao has to retest $3,600. So Tao has to correct 40% on the downside. Well, how do you think this bullish retest? These are bullish retests. Yeah, there's nothing bearish about them. Let's take I don't know, Kaspa. Let's take oh my God, this one. I have a really bearish scenario. So far, it follows my squiggly lines. I'm curious about this line here. Let's not take Kaspa. Let's take Sui. Yeah. So, okay, we have the breakout weekly. Well, Sui has to retest $1. Technically speaking, $1 here. How do you think it will come 50% down? 50? Yeah, 42%. How do you think a 42% correction would happen? Yeah. So in my point of view, this is absolutely inevitable. Call me crazy, call me stupid, but I don't care what people say or anything like that. But this is absolutely inevitable. So yeah, I'm long. I have my bags, and I will load once again. But these corrections of 40% will happen. Yeah, they will happen. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't care if I'm wrong because I have my spot bags. But if I am correct, it means it goes accordingly to my plan and I will manage to execute and buy more. While majority, they will be fucked. They will don't know what to do. They will scream and they will say that there is no bull market, and we will just load our bags on the last line of defense and the last potential retest before rampage incoming. Just my 2 cents. And these are just 2 examples. Let's go on injective. Now the bottom is not in on this one though. I managed to buy exactly here, and the VIP guys, they managed to buy exactly the bottom of Injective, if I'm not wrong. I have a challenge which I'm going through. So I have a meme challenge, and where I have shitcoins like Mumu, which we did 20x. I posted Mumu 3 months ago and nobody was speaking about it. And then I have my spot challenge here. Yeah, which I'm just buying spot coins, and it's sitting really, really nice. Call me crazy, but it's sitting absolutely nice. Look at Injective. Fuck, 1 second. There we go. This is the Injective. $16, 12.82. Yeah, here and 16. And I think people on VIP, I wanted to make VIP not just scalping, because I know not everybody is able to scalp. Like Bukur, for example, here, he's an investor. Do you think he used this entry? He used them in a good manner? He's up 40%. He's up 40% from on Injective. Yeah, because I'm not just a scalper. I'm spot trading absolutely a lot. A lot of the time, this is what I'm doing, just analyzing possible entries and then sharing them with the community. Let's take AVAX. So no bottom on this one. Well, this one, it goes exactly accordingly to my plan. It should have one more rejection though. I remember making this this plan long time ago. If you guys have questions, just let me know. GLQ, let's go GLQ, because I know a lot of people are looking forward on adding on GLQ. Let's see where I discussed about it. We should have been loaded on this one. These are my levels on GLQ. There we go. So I said buy at 58, 42, and 28. 58, 45, 58, 45, and 26. And let's look at it. Well, we are nice in profits, and we have more than 50 coins, which I did the TA on. Let's say that we have an average here. Well, we are up 70, 80% on GLQ from my entries. And you can go there. Actually, I can show you my screen. Yeah, there is this area where I have all the coins, my investments, SSV, everything that I buy, absolutely everything. It's posted there. So if you want to look at it, yeah, you can even join for 1 month. I had people joining for 1 month, and you take them. I don't care. I'm really happy if you manage to get the entries. Okay, let's go back to trading. So our long is pushing. I'm happy with that. I said that I'm charting Ethereum, so nothing bullish. Don't get too bullish here. We have this FEG violation, but maybe price can push a little bit at the highs here. This previous high was supply. You know that the best short setup for stuff like that. 1 second. The best short setup can be an LJ, like a trend line short. Let me know if you have questions regarding charts. If not, then I'll blab away and maybe do some TA on Ethereum and what I'm expecting on Ethereum. I had a setup on Ethereum, but it didn't give me feel. So I had an entry around here, I'm pretty sure. Let me check. Let me check Discord what I posted. To Ethereum, there we go. So I posted my entry at 2,500. 2,557. Okay, I see. And I mentioned about, yeah, I know, I remember now. So initially I discussed about the retest of 61.8 here, but Ethereum was a little bit weaker at that point, and I thought maybe it has like a V-shape because we had a V-shape bottom here. I thought again of an aggressive move to the downside and some stinky bids at DS and DAR. But as we can see, the price didn't even retested the classic S&R here at 61.8. So we had a bounce from 0.5 this previous area. So nothing to do here. But technically speaking, guys, I don't know who can tell me what's happening here, but technically speaking, we have a bearish structure. We have a bearish setup. Yeah. The swing low which created a new high has been displaced with a big candle. That's classic bullish market structure shift. So okay, let's find around here. I'll post this one too. We are at POC. Let's see a standard deviation 2.5. Yeah, logical level of retracement here. It's absolutely perfect in confluence with this level, and absolutely perfect in confluence with 61.8, I think. Yeah, there you go. 5.47. Well, that's good if you're scalp long because it's pumping. We are long on Bitcoin. Let me pause this one on VIP. Yeah, that's good, guys. It goes nicely. Let me know if you have any questions. I pretty much did my rant and looked for the setups. I have enough setups in the market. I have like 10 pending orders on altcoins, and I have running Bitcoin long. Yesterday I discussed about Saga Power of Three. Let's check if Saga is still alive. No, it's not. You see, it's rejecting here. Short on Bitcoin. Pepe long. Yeah, there you go. Well, Pepe fucked me up. Fucked me out. I had two entries. I took some profits, some partials here, but I ended up with stop loss take and break even. What more? Ethereum. I took an Ethereum long yesterday, market long here. I market long this area and TP'd. I had like a 6 to 1 risk to reward or something like that. I think a little bit lower. And actually, it was right. I mean, it gave a nice retest, so everyone had the time to take it. 24, 24. I had 26, 24. I mean, everyone had the time to take it here because we had this retest. So even like that would have been a 3 to 1 risk to reward. But I will not be counting it into the journal. It was too fast. Not too many people managed to take it. Well, uh, that would be it from that previous session. Let's see Bitcoin here. The thing is that uh, I'm not expecting like I'm not expecting for the price to spend too much time here. I want to see a blow off rejection. What I want to do here. Man, I want this one. Okay, to the front it is. Let's check a little bit the order flow on Bitcoin. I'm curious on how Bitcoin looks. How CVD and open interest are looking on 1 hour. And after that, lower time frame. So we have shorts opening on this move here. And this is 1 hour time frame. Check the lows. So price was making lower lows while CVD was making higher highs on this move. So we had a bullish absorption here on this move. Let me show you. Yeah, here. Exactly on this move. Nice reaction. And I'm curious about 30 minutes. Let me check 30 minutes and 15 minutes here. See what's going on. Well, nothing special to be honest. It's just following the price action. 15 minutes, I have no signal. Not even 5 minutes. So I think we need to wait for the New York session to see anything on the CVD and open interest on intermediate time frame. But so far, I see absolutely nothing. Nothing that can help us in a direction or another. Because it's flat. We had this shorts opening here, but right now they have been absorbed by this move at 60 to 100 where we took the long. And right now we have no information. So if you want to scalp anything, there is no indication that the price might want to go lower here. We need to wait until we sweep this high and maybe we get some rejections because we have plenty of liquidity here. And then maybe into this previous high and we will be seeing some bearish order flow in one way or another. But until then, pretty difficult. Actually, the first take profit area should be around here at this intermediate 61.8. Yeah, 61, 280, 86. We have a clear big S in there. Let's see how it holds. I don't know. I'm just playing the setups, nothing that I can do. The secret in trading, guys, is to think less and plan more. So this is the secret. If you want to be profitable, you want to be creating a plan, go on paper, get a pencil and a paper. I prefer paper, not I don't prefer iPad or stuff like that. I just pencil and paper, and just start and put everything on the paper. How you want to see your day trading. How do you create your bias, your order flow? How do you execute when you exit the market with invalidation? When are you taking profits? And I know it's not easy. It's definitely not easy. If you want help, I'm here day by day. Why I'm not making it for free? Some may ask because I don't want moon boys. The VIP group has a fee because I don't want moon boys. And you'll say, okay, you want a fee, but then you will have hundreds of people and you make millions. No, I'm just accepting 20 people. Yeah, just 20 people, quality ones. If they are not quality ones, I'll just tell them bye bye. You will not be here the next month if you're not behaving, and if you don't want to learn, because there are people that really want to learn, and you should give them your place. So 20 by 20 spots each month. I'm trying to teach people how to trade from zero, from scratch. Maybe you have some ideas, but you will see how I'm doing this on a daily basis. And the thing is that I try to make it in such way that I cannot, I don't know, you will see how I'm doing it and you will learn. This is what I wanted to do with the VIP. Day in, day out, I'm making my plans. You will see if I'm not profitable, you will see if I'm profitable, if I take profit or if I take the losses. You can see it on your account because all the trading ideas I'm framing, um, they require execution indeed. So if you want to join me, you will be required to start and learn how to properly execute. Have a plan, execute accordingly to the plan, yeah, and then generate those profits consistently. Otherwise, it will not help you. Even following my trades will not help you because I'm not here to. My main purpose is for you to learn, not to copy trade what I'm doing. Because copy trading, well, I'll disappear. For example, in 2 years, I don't know if I'll just spend so much time on Discord and trying to teach people because I don't know. I think I'll want to do something else with my life because kids are coming and stuff like that. I want to focus on something else, not on Discord and people. But if you want to learn, I think this is the proper moment because I'm just building in this moment. I'm building the wealth, the upcoming wealth, and it's a good moment for you to, I don't know, to take advantage, to put it like that. Um, and yeah, just raw data, day by day, 1-3 setups a day. I'm hunting all the time. Sometimes I'm losing, sometimes I'm making profits. I really don't care. If I'm looking at my portfolio at the end of the month, and if I see it's positive, I'm happy. That's all. It's absolutely irrelevant if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stop losses, but at the end of the month I'm profitable. That's what matters. Nothing else matters. Okay, let's see some total others or USDT dominance. Yeah, let's start with USDT dominance, guys. It's scary, the USDT dominance here. Why? Because we are at support. We are at support here, and there is a probability for this one to bounce. So correction in altcoins maybe 40%, Ethereum maybe a new low. This one can bounce and money go back. I'm just saying, but if this one does this, yeah, definitely. If we have something like this, then the bullish retest can be that correction in the altcoins and this one to go lower. What do you want to do? Because altcoins, I said on many of them, bottom it's in, is that you want to hunt these retracements. Yeah. For example, when market cap is going up, Bitcoin and altcoins are going down, just look for confluences where they might bottom in and just buy those weekly Ws, some those inverse head and shoulders breakouts and stuff like that. And then let's see some total tree, please. There you go. Well, I have a lot of drawings here. I mentioned about this not being bullish. And we tapped into the 61.8, so that's good. Price is trying to break out here, trying a breakout. But still order flow speaking, I see no, this high should be displaced to have a proper rally in my point of view. I don't know if this is a head and shoulders, I not necessarily wouldn't call it. An ugly one. It's there. Total fee is looking the same. Technically speaking, we are at the resistance here. Let's see. Well, I've been blabbing away for almost 1 hour, guys. Let me know if you have anything, like any questions, and stuff like that. Also, if you want to learn how to trade, I'm running a school. It's named Cap.you. I'm only accepting 10 people, so only 10 people. That school gives you access to my daily live streams in the VIP, so it's giving you access to VIP too. And I will try to teach you how I trade. Absolutely everything that I know, you will be learning. It's taking 3 months. I will be live streaming day in, day out, teaching you how to trade from scratch. Yeah, I'm not doing this too many times. I may be doing it once a year. The program, I don't know about the next years and the years to come. Maybe I'll focus on trading. So if you want to leverage education, Cap.you is the one. If you really want to be into trading 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, scalping and stuff like that, you want to know everything about trading, how to look at a chart, how to frame every idea, how to execute and plan every next move. Well, that's the Cup What You trading school, which I'll be running. And actually, we need only one more member. So only one more member until we start. So only one person, and then we'll start the Cup What You. Maybe the last one, definitely the last one for this year, the last program, because it will be for 3 months. And yeah, I'm not sure about the next year because maybe I want to focus on trading more. It will be way better for me to focus on trading than teaching. So we're doing this when I'm having the time, and right now 3 months the learning program will be starting. First to come is first to be served. So the first to join will be the one to be taken in the program. Yeah, let's see what our trades can deliver here. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm taking requests. If you guys have any questions, if not, you can find us on Discord. You can find me on Twitter and on Discord anywhere. Just DM me if you need some help with trading, with your plan. We are on Discord. Just let me know. Well, if nothing else to say, if there's nothing anything else to say, I think we can call it a session if there are no requests. If you guys have requests, just let me know. If not, then we can call it a session. The plan is made. You know my ideas. Even if we swing failure this high, maybe I'll try a short because I'm still long. If I see a deviation here, I'll try another short because the risk to reward is very good, and then I'll still trail my long from Bitcoin. Let's see rune. Low time frame rune. I don't know. I have a line here. Well, that's an S&R. It's a weekly pivot point on rune here. You want to be careful around here. Let's go on 1 hour. Looks like a reaccumulation. So altcoins are looking good, as I mentioned. They are not looking bad at all. Definitely, we have this liquidity point. We have no invalidation yet, so the order flow is still bullish. It's still pointing up. So I'm using only the 200 EMA. 200 EMA, that's the only EMA that I'm using. Only one indicator you can see here, and sometimes ATR. So the price will be going for this high here. You said low time frame. So if you have a scalp long from here, just TP and then maybe trail the rest in case the price is going higher. But you can see each time the price has swept liquidity, it has deviated and came back under the range. So you should be careful with that because we can see this. Yeah, it's a range. It's a upward channel. Nice seeing you, Asta Brata. Yeah, I'm charting daily. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. It's been a pleasure. I really enjoyed it. Um, Also, you can find me on Premium on Discord all the time. I'm day trading there with PJ. Either you want Premier or VIP. We have an offer right now with 1 year of Premium, and you get 3 months of uh, yeah of zero fee. So I think it's the right time to leverage education because in the upcoming bull market there will be so many requests and we won't have the time. Just my 2 cents. There will be no time. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.